Hello. I am Sheikh Shahria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to change photo background professionally. To change photo background, you need only a small app, which is named Pixel Pro. You can download it from Play Store. And if you want to cut the photo perfectly, you need Google's help. Let's move on to our video. First, go to Play Store and search Pixel Pro, and download it. And go to Chrome. Search Remove BG. Now follow the steps I do. Now, go to Pixel Pro app, and import a picture from your gallery. I am choosing a random photo. Click the Effect option, and insert the picture which I have cut from Google Chrome. Now adjust your picture as your background. Try to put it at the middle of the background. Now adjust your photo color. Follow the steps that I am doing. Just adjust the exposure, saturation, contrast and temperature. Don't change anything else, or it will ruin your photo. And your photo is ready. If we complete 20 likes, I will upload video as your demand. So don't forget to like the video. And if anyone have any query, you can comment down below. I will surely answer that comment. Bye. Take care.